By the time I hit around 30 years old, I had 3 very distinct spots on my head that did not have a whole lot of hair. I looked on the internet, hair loss systems, and Maine Image was the first thing that came up. It was right in my backyard. So I made an appointment and came and talked to Leslie, who assured me that they could do many wonderful things to bring back my confidence. I've been with Maine Image for about 8 years now, and it is by far the best decision that I've ever made. They're all just wonderful people, and I'm glad to be a part of this Maine Image family. What's really awesome about Maine Image, I feel, is that unless you knew me when I first started losing my hair and first started coming here, you don't know that I have a hair system. So at the job that I just started last year, nobody knows, which I think is amazing, and I think that's part of my confidence, and I thank Maine Image for giving me that back.